Could have took some nice trades on SPX. We had this 2 hour order block right here, tapped into it perfectly at 6:30, but I wasn't really awake at that time. And then at 7:15, 7:30, and then it's just been chopping ever since. If I would have woke up a little earlier, we could have seen this straight here, new opening gap, new week opening gap, drop lower, dollar pushing up to the fair value gap. Inversion now, or a BPR, balanced price range. So. Alright guys, I disciplined myself. I'm doing this again for the trading. Let me show you real quick as to what I mean. I changed a lot of things up. I was just undisciplined, not following my rules. I was still sticking to my model, but I just wasn't following the rules, which was kind of bothering me, and I knew that. Alright, so basically we changed all the time frames. This is the only time frames I'll be using: 5 minute, 15, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, daily, and then the weekly. And then we basically just drew all these. These are the main US pairs we're gonna be trading only. Looking at, I'm not gonna be trading NQ, or actually I will, but these are probably the only two I'll probably be trading. US 30s just there, just to be there. And then these are the main pairs I'll trade for Forex: the Euro USD, GU, AJ, and then UJ. And then these are the bond markets. I'll never trade. I look at them in the higher time frame and see where the bonds are going. 4 hour and the daily are good enough. Don't feel like having too many time frames on there, because then analysis paralysis. So yeah. Alright guys, I think I finally found my edge on the market. These are the only time frames I'm using, and like I just feel so much more reassurance like using these higher time frames. Of course, because what is price doing? Where is price trying to engineer liquidity? These daily highs right here, these relative equal highs, and then this one right here, boom, engineered it perfectly. All right, where's the next draw on liquidity? This one up here. This is the weekly. We go to the weekly time frame. All right, let me scale down for y'all. All right, so we have the weekly time frame. We have our new week opening gap. I don't think I'm gonna start using. I mean, not on this one, but on this page right here for this new week opening gaps, I'm gonna start using it. I don't know how to delete the other ones. I want to delete the other ones. I don't want to have any more. Please let me delete one, please. Yeah, but I don't think I can delete one. But we have our internal range all in here. This is the external. This liquidity and this liquidity. These highs are still have not yet to be swept, because those are engineered forms of liquidity. So, since we're breaking this liquidity, if we break higher, then my next draw on liquidity will be up here. And then we go to the daily. We have our daily liquidity being swept right here. So I plan on, seeing a little retracement later on throughout next week. Tape reading earlier, market structure shift on the 4 hour. And then we had an order block. I think it was a 15-minute order block down here from the other day, and it tapped perfectly. It went higher, and we had a breaker because it just took out these lows down here, and we had a breaker. It bounced off the new week opening gap to the previous one. This is the most recent, this is previous. But the 15-minute breaker right here, because we took out this low. Let me show you on the 5 minute. It's better on the 5 minute. So we took out this low, and we took out the other low. So we had a turtle swoop, and we were in a fair value gap with an order block, and boom, a balanced price range, another entry right here. And then we had another order block that never got retested, and we had a market structure shift too. And then we had another BISI, and it got tapped into. And we had another order block right here, and it got respected because it was in this 15-minute BISI right here. I know y'all see it. And then we drew, I was tape reading hard, bro. I can show you the screenshots. And then we drew a fib from the recent high to the recent low, and then we had our standard deviations. And then that 4 hour consequent encroachment, it got tapped into, and it just dropped even lower. And then we had a volume imbalance right here that y'all see, and balanced price range. Price just chopped around it and went higher a little bit, and then volume imbalance again in there. I'm gonna try to finish this by this week. I always say that, but I never finish it. I'm not gonna take as much notes because I feel like I already got it down. I need to back test more, so probably Sunday I'm gonna back test, and then that's pretty much it. Sunday we're gonna back test. Monday we're gonna trade and start trading on the pundit because I'm done playing games. I am. Alright, so today we're gonna be studying ICT. We're covering episode 50. I want to get down to at least 55, or maybe finish it all, maybe to like 57. Videos are short, just this one right here is 1 hour, and then probably get to 57. Start back testing on I already have all my charts marked up for next week. Go to the 4 hour. All the levels played out. We're gonna go over here. These are the main ones we're trading, like I showed you: USD, SPX, NQ, and then these are the main pairs we're gonna be trading. And then we're gonna go over here to back test. I wanted to back test GJ. I never got to finish it, so that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna back test GJ today, and I draw the previous day high, previous day low, and then the previous week high, previous week low. And I usually draw the fib from like the previous week high to the previous week low, and I see the daily time of day, how it affects throughout the week. And to go back into a premium or a discount. If not, then I just go back to the higher time frames and I see, you know, the draws on liquidity, and then that's basically it. Next trade we lost because why? Because we got the previous day high and took out the buy side, so we went lower, and we're not gonna bounce on this order block because it wasn't validated because we were above in the premium area, and this fair value got tapped into it and just went higher after that. But it's a little late. Just started watching it. Dude, I have to do like 3 of these for the final. So this is gonna be episode 50 to 60. This one was episode 43 to 49, bro. And it's like how long it is. And then this one was episode 23 to 42. Not bad. This one was 13 to 22. And then 1 to 12. So we're on this one right now. And I need to work on my market structure and my order flow. That's what I've been practicing. And, you know, just have an SPX real time. So this is what I want to see. I want to see a little retracement back and then go up. But if I go back over here to SPX, you know, there's a market structure shift. Basically, this makes it an order block. So that's kind of what I want to see for that market structure shift to hit this new, the last week opening gap, come back down and go up. I've been reading a chapter a day, you know, to keep the doctor away, and the journaling in here. You see the pen in here. And we just haven't finished this. Mama finishes, and then I've been reading. Lock in really, and probably stay up to like 1 finishing all these videos. I won't lie, I'm not feeling the best. Not feeling good at all. Past day today since I woke up. Straight headache. Feel very cold. Just recovering for today. I was recovering today. Did plan on watching the next video in this playlist, which was 53 to finish it. There's 7 more. You know, I was gonna finish most of these later yesterday night, but we didn't get to finish it. Today's Sunday and it's the 4th already, so we got the high on SPX basically. I don't know why it's not loading. There it goes, 500 index. Caught the high of it. Let's go to gold. Gold we didn't cast really anything. Probably like the middle, then it's been chopping up. Gold's been chopping. It's going traded gold. Look at that. Especially on a Sunday. It looks pretty choppy. Just ranging. But ultimately it wants to go lower and then eventually reprice higher. Because of the time of day, day of week, and basically what I've been studying. That's what I'm trying to analyze now. SPX, it wants to reprice lower too and then eventually go back up. So, I'll show you P&L. And I'll show all this tomorrow, I guess, because I feel like I'm right. If I'm wrong, then this trade's gonna be blown. This account's gonna be blown. Gold trade. We hit our TP. I forgot I had a set of TP, bro. Fuck. Is that really? I had a mini 5 TP. I had a mini 5 TP below these lows, and it just went into it. They moved pretty quick. On the minute, 1 minute, I had it right below these lows right here. The sell side, and just went into it really hard. Alright guys, let me show you the trade we took today. We took a loss today on GU, $100, and we pyramided so much and we lost today. But we did win a little bit, made it back from what we lost, and then we lost more. So should have just took my W, and then we lost an NQ. Trade was just ultimately in our disadvantage. And I did pyramid a lot. Let me show you. See, pyramided a shit ton, bro. This is what I need to learn. So we made back the win or the loss, $70, and then $12, so like $80. Then we were up on this one. And then the trade just went in opposite directions. And I tried to trade again. Made a quick $8, and then oh yeah, that's with the position we took. So, and then we're down basically the same from what we lost this morning. 119 plus the AJ trade. This one here. So I'm gonna go to the gym, hit the sauna, and then meditate after, and then currently our balance right now. So yeah, that's basically pretty much it. But we did come back from the loss of the previous days. Look at that, we lost a lot, but brought it back up. So and then today's the last day, but yeah, that's why it's stuck. So it's the last day, we're not able to trade now. So it's the account balance now. We're down basically 2.85%. Frustrated, guys. I really am. We can't lose more than 242 tomorrow.
I'm gonna risk 2% again, try to make this 2% back, and then eventually get us back to break even. If I can make 3%, so if I can have a 1-to-1, make 2%, and then have another partial probably at 1-to-2, and then take another position off and get a 3.5%. If not, then a 3.25 would sound good too, you know. But I am really frustrated. Here's the trade that the first trade that brought us down a lot was the index, Nasdaq. I mean, and then eventually I started revenge trading. Of course, like always, I need to work on this. I don't care. I don't care if I blow these accounts. I just want to pass one at least. You know, I want to get past phase 1, bro, and then that's like our first step. You know, and eventually phase 2, I'm gonna risk less. But phase 1 is always hardest because I don't know. I feel like I'm in a rush right now because it's been, how many months has it been, bro? It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, we started learning ICT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really in our 6th month right now. We're just getting started on our 6th month of SMC, and I'm wanting to expect better results already. He said, 6 months you gotta trade demo, blah 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 blah, so you don't get hurt, blah 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 blah. But I want to get hurt, bro. I got money to spend, and I'm investing in myself because after one is demo, you know, you're not gonna be able to know how it feels, you know, to have those real emotions playing. And whenever you're trading $8, we made $8, and then 46, and then 28. Alright, guys, I want to show you that too, but we did not pass, as it says right here. On not pass result analysis. Let's go. So we were up in profit. We could have probably beat this challenge, but then we got a drawdown. Eventually go back at break even, and then we're down $1 at the end. Average win 35, average loss $60, 60% win rate, average profit $35, average loss 59, risk to reward 0.59. I need to work on this risk to reward, bro. I need to start taking actual good trades and not messing around. Max loss, that. Pass everything else except for the profit target, and we're just a little bit down and drawdown. I didn't really look at the end, towards the end. But yeah, we're feeling better now. I'm feeling a lot better. It's currently June 5th, as I showed y'all. But I just want to give you a quick update. I look super exhausted, man, but it's because I've been grinding. Nothing but grinding. I'm gonna clean my room soon. I'm gonna renovate it. I'm gonna try to save up buy a laptop because I'm gonna be traveling soon. That's why I need to start making some motion, bro. That's why I'm increasing my lot size when I'm trading, because I'm more confident. I have a hard time frame narrative, and I know what price wants to do. It's just me, my emotions, and I need to overcome that. I meditate in the morning, but still, you know, it's the urge to make money for me. I want to have some money flowing into my account, TJR, and smart money concepts, and I started trading like that. Of course, on paper trading with options. But you know, the 3rd month, I try to get a Fund the Next account, failed. Last month, failed my account on May, and then this month, I don't want to fail. I want to pass. Even if you know I'm risking 2%, I don't care, bro. I have to risk like 4% just to pass, bro. I have to do what I gotta do. I have a hard time frame narrative. I know what I'm doing. You know, I've been doing this for a good while. And I just need to get A-class setups. I like to pyramid my positions in. I just don't like buying 4 lots on a buy limit. Of course, I do enter on buy limits, but when it's offering a better price, a discount, of course, I re-enter and do market execution. So yeah, spreads are not that bad on the Forex pairs, the majors. Hopefully by the end of this month, I'm able to pass 2 challenges. That's my goal. Just to pass 2 funded challenges and get funded and have a withdrawal